Okay, so I got my new Ring Peephole cam. I'm going to unbox and set it up. This one's going to replace my Ring video doorbell that I was trying to use on my apartment, but I see that it's not good for an apartment. As you can see, this guy comes in a small box, but it's bigger than this one. I'm going to use this one instead. So let's get rid of this one and just open the new Peephole cam. So here's the box. Let's see what we got here. So it brings this say hello to Ring documentation probably, and here we go with one part of the camera and the second part of the camera. Based on what I saw on videos, you put this part here outside and this part inside, and you just connect them together like this, and your door stay here in the middle, of course. Okay, so let's take a look what else you have here. It comes with a key that you can remove your peephole from the door. That's nice. It comes with a cable and comes with adapter for the door. If the hole is too big, you have this kind of adapters and a battery. So here I have everything that I need for installation. Let's take a look what I have inside here. So here there's a sticker protected by Ring with all the information you need for installation. We also have more information here on how to install and scan the QR code and make your camera work. Okay, so a quick recap here. I'm going to use this one to remove the peephole from the door. This one is an adapter if the hole is too large, and this one is hold everything in place because I'm going to install like this. I'm going to pass this the way, and then I need to remove this cap, and I need to put the cable here so this cable can send power to the camera. Okay, because I'm going to have a battery here. I'm going to insert in here. It's charging right now. There is an LED to indicate when it's charged. So the battery is in place. I remove this, put the cable, and then I insert this lock nut here to hold everything to the way it was, and then we can come there and take a look at the installation. Okay, you can use the key to remove the excess paint from the door, so you can remove the peephole. Just turn it anti-clockwise like this using the key, and you also need to remove the external part. Just turn it anti-clockwise, remove it, and you can screw everything back just in case you need it again. And here you insert the peephole cam, and of course you need to insert the internal part, remove the cap, and just bring the connector outside. Use the lock nut to hold everything in place so you can work on the cables. Here you just need to pull the cable, put everything in place, and there is a connector, then you need to stick it to this connector. And then you can just adjust the cable, make sure everything is connected, and you slide like this until you hear the click. And it's done. Now you put your battery into place, and you place your cover back. Now you just remove the plastic and it's ready for setup. Okay, so it's time for the setup. So I click here in the menu, choose device, and here set up a device. Let me choose doorbells, and here set up without scanning a code. Peephole door camera. Here's my address. I already have an account with Ring, so continue. I get a name. Let me give it a name, front door. The doorbell is installed, okay. And here is a video showing how to do it. Let me just continue. And it is spinning, the light is spinning, so let me just click here. So it's not the first time I'm installing Ring devices. It knows my Wi-Fi. So I'll say yes, I want to connect to the same Wi-Fi. Yours could be different if it's the first time you're installing. And Alexa can find my device on the network, and it's working. And you can update the firmware. Let me skip this step now. And it's done. I have my peephole in the front door. It says updated the software. I need to wait for a while so I can see the image. So I just need to wait some time for the update, and later just click here and I can go live. So it's working. Okay, now I have my app working. I can just click here, bring it to live, and it connects to the cloud and start recording there. Every time I see live video here, it records on the cloud. And I can see a timeline here with different colors. Red for live view, and there's blue for motion. As you can see, some motion there, more motion. And also when there's a ring there, it's in green here. See, there's a lot of motion. I was testing there. I was leaving the apartment and stuff. And it works pretty good. You see different days here. I start testing and then I leave for some time there just to make sure it was working fine and also to have more information for this video. And I think the audio is good enough. People comes to my hallway, I can hear them, they ring the bell, I can answer them on the phone, and it's working, okay? So it's a good option for apartment. You can replace your peephole with a camera like this, and it works pretty fine, okay? I'll leave the link here in the description so you can get yours. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments. See you in the next video.